Hare Krishna. Welcome to Krishna's Cuisine. I am Bhuvan Sundari Radha Dividasi with a perfect snacks recipe. Today we will be making white dhokla using a multi-purpose batter. For making white dhoklas, we require 1.5 cup rice. Make sure do not use oily or basmati rice. Half cup black gram dal or urad dal. 1/4 cup beaten rice and half teaspoon fenugreek seed. In a mixing bowl, take urad dal and to this add beaten rice and fenugreek seed. Soak it in water for 5 to 6 hours. Another bowl, soak rice similarly for 5 to 6 hours. After 5 to 6 hours, you can see it has soaked well. Now grind the urad dal mixture and rice separately into a mixing jar. Grind it into a smooth paste. You can see here I have mixed both the batters here. Keep the mixture for fermenting for 7 to 8 hours in the summer. After 7 to 8 hours, you can see our batter it has increased in volume. This kind of fermentation is very much necessary for making dhoklas or idli without soda. If you feel your batter is thick, then you can add water also. Now to this add salt and give it a good mix. Using this same batter, you can make idli, dosa, uttapam, paddu and dhokla also. So it's a multi-purpose batter. Now our batter is ready. Take half amount of the batter, salt and ginger chili paste. Since we had added salt previously, here I have added just half teaspoon of salt and it is optional. Give it a good mix. You can see the consistency of our batter. This is perfect. I have taken this mold here. You can use a plate too. I have greased my mold using oil. Now transfer the batter into this mold. I am sprinkling some chili powder. It optional if you want to. I have preheated the vessel with hot water till water boils. Place a ring and carefully keep the mold on it for a steam. On medium flame for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, using a knife, and let's check our dhoklas. The knife has come out clear and our dhoklas are ready, so let's take them out. After 10 minutes, let's cut our dhoklas. If your batter is ready, it just takes half an hour to prepare the dhoklas. Now they are cut. For seasoning, we require 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon mustard seed, 1 teaspoon sesame seed, half teaspoon cumin seed, 1/4 teaspoon fenugreek seed, 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida or hing, and 1 tablespoon coriander leaves. In another vessel, take oil and add mustard seed. To this add fenugreek seed, cumin seed, asafoetida or hing, add green chilies, and sesame seed. Our seasoning is ready with this. Now pour the seasoning on the dough glass evenly. Add some coriander leaves on top, and our dough glass are ready. Let's serve them now. You can see how soft are they even without soda. Let's serve it to Lord Krishna by placing a tulsi leaf. Our snowy white dough glass are ready. You can serve it hot with green chutney as well. For such sattvic recipes, please like, share and subscribe my channel Krishna's Cuisine. Always chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare and be happy.